How to fix Sparkasse online banking app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Sparkasse online banking app not working on your device, whether it's iPhone or Android. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android. Now from this page, simply go ahead and search for Sparkasse online banking app. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it with the latest and newest version available. After this, come back and make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable, reliable, and strong. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Or try turning the flight mode on for 4 to 5 seconds and turn it back off. Now another thing you can do is tap and hold on to the Sparkasse online banking app. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Scroll down and tap on storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Now go to battery and make sure that it is set to optimized or unrestricted. Now come back and try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. Last but not least, simply go ahead and also restart your entire system, and this will definitely help you resolve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.